Mastering Zero Conditional. Let's ask the right questions. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore an exciting aspect of the English language, the zero conditional, and more specifically, how to use it in questions. This type of conditional is used to talk about real and possible situations, and understanding it will open up a new level of depth in your English communication skills. Zero conditional, often used to express general truths or facts, is made up of two parts: the if clause and the result clause. It's structured like this: if plus present simple, present simple. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Remember, the order of the clauses doesn't matter. You could also say, water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees Celsius. Forming questions with zero conditional is a little different, but don't worry, it's straightforward. You take the if clause and turn it into a question, like this: does water boil if you heat it to 100 degrees Celsius? The key here is to start with a helping verb like do or does, followed by the subject, then the rest of your if clause. Let's dive into some examples. 1. Does she get upset if you don't call her? 2. Do plants die if they don't get enough water? 3. Does your computer crash if you open too many tabs? Try to think of what these examples have in common. They're all about cause and effect, aren't they? Now it's your turn. Here are some practice exercises to get you started. 1. Write a zero conditional question about what happens when it rains. 2. Write a zero conditional question about what happens if a car's engine overheats. 3. Write a zero conditional question about what happens if someone forgets to set their alarm. Remember to start with a helping verb, like do or does, then the subject, then the rest of your if clause. That's all for today's session on zero conditional in questions. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master this important English grammar concept. If you continue working on these exercises, you'll surely get better. That's a zero conditional for you right there. As always, thanks for watching, and keep exploring English. Happy learning!